Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's Matt with Green Bar Trading. Now, I know I say this a lot. My camera is not that great, but once I hit 1,000 subscribers, which is going to happen very soon, I'm going to be upping my game. So I'm going to be getting some new equipment. I wasn't expecting this channel to really grow this fast, this quick, which is great. So I do thank every single one of you guys, but I wonder who is going to be the 1,000th. So once you have a 1K, then you're a real YouTuber, even though I consider myself a real YouTuber. And my educational videos here that I'm making for you, especially this week, these are really good videos that maybe you can add, if you haven't already, to your playbook. And this video is how to trade the opening range, a dip and rip. So when price action comes down, you have your limit order set, and I'll show you guys how I set and why I choose where I choose. And then on the next minute, when price rips back up, that's when you take your profit. So really it's a 1 minute trade, but it's on 2 minute bars. So yeah, I'll get into sharing the screen for you guys here right now. Before I get into the trade, if you guys would hit that thumbs up for me, if you would, and it continues to help, new people see these videos, the more people that hit the thumbs up, and it takes literally less than a second, then the videos get shown to more and more people, and that's how we continue the growth of Green Bar Trading. So this is what I did today. It's literally a $20 bill, which I love scalping these. It's a $20 bill in a minute. So if you can just limit your trades, take trades that are really high probability trades that you've been, you did the research for, you exactly know when you're going to get in and out. That's how you can remain consistent. Go in with a trade plan, stick to it, and execute it. And that's how you guys will really continue your path towards consistently profitable. So anyway, this is what we're looking at. This is Citibank this morning. You can throw out all your indicators when you do one of these trades, this dip and rip, and you're going to be in and out. You don't need the VWAP. You don't need the 9 EMA. You don't need anything besides level 2. And all you're looking for is price action and where it goes to your previous lines here that I drew. So this was support and this was resistance. You had the green line here, which was the pre-market low. Now, Citibank, it doesn't have much of a pre-market, but it does set up where people have, bought up here and also down here. Now, this was 74.94, which was the pre-market low. And this thing ripped. I got involved actually at exactly 74.94. You have to make sure that you set a limit order. You don't want to market in on these. That's very, very important. You have to go in with a limit order because price action and the market makers, they will literally, if you market order in, they're going to give you whatever price they want to give you, because that first minute or two is strictly price discovery and a bunch of, it's like an auction, and it's just a bunch of orders coming in, and that's what we're taking advantage of. Set your limit order. I wanted to get in with 100 shares at 74.94, got filled. You know, TOS did a great job. And then getting out, all I did was sell up into this next candle. That was it. There's no indicators needed. There's nothing that is needed here besides knowing the trading range. You need to know what the trading range is from the pre-market. And, you know, luckily, this was a very low risk one. Now, this trading is not for beginners. Let me stress, this is not a beginner trading strategy. Trading the first minute, you have to be quick, you have to know what you're doing, and you have to at least been watching price action for a long time, a lot of screen time before you get involved in trades like this, because you have to be super quick. Getting filled on the downside is, you have to just know when to get in and when to get out, because this is extremely fast. That's all I'm going to say. Set your limit order to your pre-market low. Obviously, you give it a little wiggle room here. This was not much wiggle room. I got in on the up, on the way up. So, I mean, this trade barely went against me. It did go against me a little bit, but that's fine. You know, you set a stop loss wherever you want it to be. Give yourself some room on these opening breaks, you know, for the move back up. And that's basically it for this type of strategy. You're in, you're out, super, super, super fast. And you could make, you know, this was only 100 shares. You can make really decent money doing this strategy. Just have to know where your pre-market is and where your pre-market highs are. And this is the range usually for that first, you know, 5 minutes of the trading day. You know, this was the first drop. And you can also look back at previous trading days of the stock. Now you guys can see I trade this stock a lot. So I know the price action. And that's also something really good for everybody out there. Try to trade the same stocks all the time if you can, because you can learn their price action and it makes trading them easier. I really like to look back at previous patterns. And yesterday was the exact same thing on Citibank. Drop down, up before going down on the day. So you know that you have, you know, the first 5 minutes to work with. And that's basically it with this, this strategy. All right. So anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you learned a thing or two. Remember, to recap, the pre-market lows and the pre-market highs. Map those out with trend lines before you take your trade. Go in with a specific, you know, trade plan. You have to have your trade plan, exactly when you're going to get in, exactly when you're going to get out, and have a stop set. And that's it. Let the trade play out. Be quick with it. And, you know, this is one of those edges in the market that if you sharpen them, this is really quick money that you can make. So guys, hit the thumbs up. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you back on the next video. Everybody take care.